the same of the real page. In here as a test, I write cybercraft at the email and or the name and the password. Hello world. Yes, hello world. And if I press the login page, it will redirect to the real page. Go on your terminal and see. Boom. There is account. Uh, okay. At the first, you have to update your system by running sudo apt update. It will update completely your system. And then sudo apt upgrade for upgrading your current data or files. Press Y to continue. It will take a few minutes. And then clear. Now go on your browser, search Zphisher. Open the first link. As you see, my internet is so slow. I opened it before. And you can copy the URL or the green button. Yeah, code button. Copy from this and paste it in your terminal by running git clone and paste the URL. Yes, copy it from here and paste it on the terminal. It will take a few minutes. It depends on your internet speed. And now, write clear, then cd and paste or write Zphisher. It will open Zphisher file. And then ls for what you have in this file. There is a file name zphisher.sh. Copy that and write bash and paste it. Paste or write zphisher.sh. It will download the Zphisher app. In here, as we see, there is a lot of tools. In this video, we're gonna explore the Instagram. Press 2 in here. Yeah. As we see, there is multiple techniques. You have to press 1. Yeah. In here also, we have to press localhost. It will work in our computer, not over the internet. In here, no, and we launched successfully. There's a link, a phishing page. Copy the link and paste on your default browser. Paste it. In here, as we see, a fake login page. The same of the real page. In here, as a test, I write cybercraft at the email and or the name and the password. Hello world. Yes, hello world. And if I press the login page, it will redirect to the real page. Yeah, uh, Instagram.com. The user will think it was a login error and retry it. Go on your terminal and see, boom, there is account, username and password. Did we try again? It means you can it means you can achieve multiple username and passwords by one link. For example, in here, I write Jack. In this time, I'll access with Gmail. Yeah, jack@gmail.com. In the password, I'll write new. Yes, and if I press the login button, it also will redirect us to the real page. Go on your terminal and boom, it's also in just one link we got two accounts. And you can also open the link by press Control and click. Control click. Yes, it is the same page. It was today's lesson, and I'll do a lot of things in this channel just for educational purpose.